Drop the iPhone 17 Pro Max from 20 feet. Here's what happened. Unboxing a brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max is an experience. The shine, the weight, the beauty of that deep blue finish. But the one question every iPhone owner secretly asks is, what happens if I drop it? So we put it to the test. First, a casual pocket height drop, the kind that happens when you're pulling your phone out in a rush. The iPhone 17 Pro Max? No cracks. The new ceramic shield to glass held up perfectly. Then came the chest height fall, straight onto concrete. The screen still looked flawless. Not a single line, no shattered glass. Apple's promise of tougher glass is no joke. But look closer, the aluminum frame told a different story. A small dent. Scratches along the edges. That stunning deep blue finish? It shows every mark. It's strong, yes, but beauty comes at a cost. Next, we pushed further. Shoulder height. Then nearly 20 feet. Shockingly, the display refused to give in. The iPhone 17 Pro Max survived impact after impact, showing it's tougher than ever before. Yet, it's not indestructible. The sides picked up visible chips, the back collected scuffs, and with each fall, the elegance of the phone faded just a little. So here's the truth. Apple has made the glass incredibly durable. But the frame and finish? They still need your help. A solid case and maybe a screen protector aren't optional. They're essential. Because yes, the iPhone 17 Pro Max can take the hit. But can you take seeing those scratches on your brand new phone? That's the real test.